special marine warning
What the
for
heck?
coastal and outer waters from
It's a
Manistee
possible
in
water
West
spout,
Cape, New
too.
Jersey, until 7:45 p.m.
Wait, is it a possible
At
water spout?
5:48 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located
No, it's
along
not.
a line extending from 18 nautical
What the
miles
heck?
northwest
We got
of
another
Atlantic City to near
SMW?
Cross-Ledge
This is
Light,
insane.
moving east at 35 knots.
This marginal risk is going
Hazard,
crazy.
wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail.
What the heck?
Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, Great Egg Inlet, Garden State South Reef, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, Beach Haven, The Lump, North Beach Haven, Little Egg Inlet, Bowie GE, Brigantine, and Seal City. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers,
Oh my
likely
gosh.
with a slight